Tuesday lunchtime, thanks for joining us. And the trial has started of a man accused of killing a father of two who went to help an injured woman lying in a road in South Yorkshire. Sheffield Crown Court heard this morning how Chris Marriott got caught up in a wedding feud between two families. Mr Marriott was fatally struck by a car on the 27th of December last year in the Burngreave area of the city. Hassan Jangur is accused of both murder or manslaughter. He denies both charges. Mark Ansell has been in court.
Sheffield Crown Court has heard the opening of the prosecution case against Hassan Jangur and his father, Mohammed Jangur. Tom Story KC outlined the case, saying that on the 27th of December last year, Chris and his wife and two children were on a walk when Chris and another person, also out on a walk, helped a woman who was lying motionless in the road in Burngreave. The injured woman was Nafisa Jangur, the sister of the man accused of killing Chris Marriott. As they tried to help, a Seat Ibiza car driven by Hassan Jangur came around the corner at some speed and collided head-on with another man standing nearby, before then ploughing into Chris and other bystanders. The car was driven right over Chris Marriott, almost certainly killing him instantly, the prosecutor said. Hassan Jangur is then accused of getting out of the car and stabbing a man called Hassan Khan several times. Following this, his father, Mohammed Jangur, the second defendant, is accused of taking the knife from his son and hiding it in the boot of his car. The prosecution said there was a dispute between the Jangur family and the Khan family, which was centred on a wedding which took place on the morning of Chris Marriott's death. The marriage was between Hassan Khan and Amani Jangur, who is the sister of the man accused of killing Chris Marriott. The prosecution say that Amani Jangur's family seems to have disapproved of her marriage to Hassan Khan and so had not attended the wedding ceremony that morning, but some of them turned up outside the Khan family home late that day, and this is what the prosecution thinks was the catalyst for the violent events that unfolded. Hassan Jangur previously pleaded not guilty to murder or manslaughter and denied charges of attempted murder and wounding with intent in relation to another victim. He admitted causing death by dangerous driving, but denied charges of grievous bodily harm. His father, Mohammed Jangur, previously pleaded not guilty to perverting the course of justice. The trial continues. Mark Ansell, BBC Look North, Sheffield.